everybody, it's me Evan, and today we're going to be making Cousin-It. And you're probably wondering, why in the world are we making Cousin-It and who's Cousin-It? Cousin-It is our cousin from the Addams family, and I'm going to be Wednesday Addams, and so we need a little DIY Cousin-It because, well, I can't be Cousin-It even though I look like it in the morning. So let's pull up our sleeves and get our ponytails, and let's go. I want to introduce you to my dad, and he's going to help us with all our adult supervision. This is him.
Thank you, Evan. I'm looking forward to helping with Cousin-It.
We did 26 inches, and you're just going to easily hot glue it on like that. So I will need an adult supervision, which is Linward, to come help me hold it. So we are using a hot glue gun, kids. Please be super duper careful with it. So this is a tomato cage, which helps us, and we cut a little off, and right now we're just doing a dot, and then we're gonna fully come around and hot glue it. So I prefer the parents to do this because we do have a really scary hot glue gun. Or you could just use a cool gun because those are easy too, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So, you still need adult supervision when you use a cool gun. And you always need adult supervision if you're doing a craft that involves paint, hot glue, or anything like that. So, where am I going to do it?
Right here on this end.
Okay.
Right there on that green, and then we'll stick it to that. Perfect.
Boom. Woo! Oh, y'all need to comment down below what y'all are going to be this Halloween 2019. Right now we are just hot gluing to the middle because we don't want the tomato wire to be seen. So sometimes you have to pull it out and click because I have a really big hot glue gun. Crafty Daddy! So if you need, you can get a hot glue stick, and if you're alone in your routine, you could stick it on like that. Easy. I have two parents out here just in case anything goes wrong, and any malfunction, we are good to go. And I made sure our neighbors know about this. Comment down below what craft you want to see next. Ooh, if you want, I could try to do any craft that you want. You could make me go to a store and try to make something that looks really artisty that you found online. And I'll try to make it from like Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, whatever, all those great places. And make sure when you have an adult supervisor, you don't want to hurt them. But if you do, just kumbaya and say you're sorry. But if you ever hot glue yourself, make sure to run it under cold water and go to your parents. It's happened to me many of times. Sometimes I'm making crafts up for you guys, and my parents hear me screaming because I hot glued myself. Put it down, and we want to be super careful. You don't want to be banging it down because it could potentially get you in the hand. And so you're just easily just kind of like going side to side, and watch your eyes. This was a really big hazard for me. And watch your hot glue gun. Now I'm giving the head some attention. I just put some safety pins right here, and we adjusted it where it needed to be. Now we're gonna put on our second layer, and these are just to mark where I need a hot glue. So these are not to stay there forever. Right now we're just gonna glue it on the top of the styrofoam head, and we're just gonna make a nice thick line. Make sure your pets aren't here, but he's our crafty dog, so he's okay. Well, not that crafty, but the good kind of crafty, and so is he. So we are just gonna add pins where we left off, and it's kind of like a navigational device. Excuse me. He hit the spot right there, guys. Pins are kind of coming out, but it's not going to be there forever. But if you're doing this, it's so nice to hear the popping noise. You have to put it on the green thing. It's kind of a habit for me to hot glue it on there. I don't know if we're out of it or not. We are not. So we're just going to do one more wraparound. last little bit, as you saw me doing a couple minutes ago, we're just deeply hot gluing. So this is a grass skirt. If you don't know what it is, it's a hula thing that the hula people wear. and we just snipped it up, and it was a table mat. Go ahead. It can be from a pool party, a hula party, whatever. There's our friendly cousin It.
There's it.
I was stealing his sunglasses and hat, so let's hot glue his hat on. It's supposed to be a black dirty hat, but since it's Halloween, we're thinking he'll go blue. So would you hold it for me? Make sure you're adult or you have gloves on because you don't want to hurt you or them. I think I've already mentioned that. But just in case, we just wanted him to wear gloves. In case you were like, why is he wearing gloves? We're hot gluing it right now, just the sides for his head. And I think we need to get all the way, not down, but pretty much a good bit of the sides because you don't want it to fall off or wind to do it. Remember, this is not a real person. This is not for to scare anybody. It's just for our Halloween costumes. We are gonna be the Addams family. Who are you gonna be?
I'm gonna be Gomez.
And our beautiful camera woman behind us is being
I'll hold the gun
Morticia.
if you want.
So, it's kind of going through. That's okay. So, I now crown you Cousin It. This is our finished project. It is Cousin It. We had more than two people working on this to make this perfect. As buddies, just helping us. But your time up being creative is gone. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and make sure to give this a big thumbs up. Bye for now.